Erosion corrosion rendered the cutwater of this centrifugal pump totally useless. A conventional approach to the repair would involve welding, causing distortion to the metal substrate. The Belzona solution involves using metal mesh as a reinforcement, with a paste-grade repair compound used to completely restore the cutwater without the need for heat. Forming techniques using a polymeric product allow accurate repairs on critical areas in pumps, such as damaged wear ring seats. The procedure entails applying a release agent to the mating surfaces of the rings to prevent bonding, since they are used as the former. Then, a paste-grade metallic polymer is applied to the ring seat, which, once cured, will tightly bond to the damaged area. On this high-lift pump impeller operating at a water plant, the Belzona coating applied for protection is approved by the National Sanitation Foundation, NSF, for potable water contact. This impeller suffered from greater damage as evidenced by the pitted surface that was repaired with a Belzona paste-grade metallic polymer. This is followed by a protective coating which shields the impeller from chemical attack. Sludge pumps suffer from harsh, abrasive conditions. This customer has adopted Belzona for use on its pumps for protection and extending service life, since the casings and backplates rebuilt and protected with Belzona outlasted the original equipment. Large 6-foot in diameter pumps were suffering from erosion around the circumference of the volute. Due to their size and location, it was impossible to remove the units for repair. The pumps were rebuilt with a Belzona ceramic reinforced metallic polymer to the original profile in place, with minimum downtime and quick return to service.